Okay, so I came to the market at about 11:30 today, about 2 hours after the open. And there was a supply zone, an area where price had touched previously. I believe it was yesterday. It bounced, it went way up, and then the market moved back down and it hit that area today. And I took the long trade off that area. And I go over the interaction of that area because I don't want to sell or buy an area because there's like a line there or whatever. I want to have an area and then see the interaction at that area and what's happening. So I go over the order flow, the footprint, what I'm seeing, and how I got in the trade and why I stayed in it, and it ended up being a winner. So let's get into it. We got that buy zone right here, and it's acted as support a couple times already, further back here. So there's been more than one bounce, and then I'm looking for a target right at the top of the value area, and then another one um, right up here. Thinking it might end up going, but we'll take a look. We've got to get through this junk right here. So we'll see how it goes. Here we had a huge buy order right here. As you can see where that green is, and the delta's turned positive, and you could see all these buy orders coming in, consuming all this. Buyers sitting right above my stop, and they have a tendency to hold. They don't always hold, but they can. And that's why I put my stop right below them. And if it went down, then I'd happily be out of the trade. But right now it's working its way through that junk area. There's the area of buyers, and you could see that this candle respected it to the tick, and then it kicked back up. So that's why I love the footprint so much, because you can see what's going on, and I can see the live action on the tape, and I could see that this buying is much stronger than the selling because of the orders. So we're almost at my target. Oh wow, that's like a lot of pressure right now. Seeing any big selling happening right here. But like I said, it doesn't mean it's not gonna hit our stop, right? And that's a lot to give up right now that I'm busy talking. And you see that this move was like so close to our target, and it might take our stop, and I could have taken all this profit, which I just got kicked out. So, but we still made money. And anyway, that's the commentary on that trade.